बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे केमिकल रिएक्शन की किस्में. What are the types of chemical reactions? There are some types of chemical reactions. First, number one is combination reaction. Those reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance are called combination reactions. In a chemical reaction, two or more elements or compounds can combine to form a single compound. For example, when magnesium burns in air, magnesium oxide is formed. In the same way, when hydrogen combines with oxygen, water is formed. And when carbon burns in oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed. So we can say that combination reactions are the reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance. That means in combination reactions, two substances combine, they react and form a single compound. For example, we see in this first reaction, magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. In this reaction, we see that two substances, or we can say two elements, magnesium and oxygen. These two elements combine, or in other words, we can say these two elements react with each other and produce a single substance, that is magnesium oxide. So we see that two substances combined and formed a single substance, which we called a compound. In the same way, oxygen is gas and carbon dioxide is oxygen, hydrogen is gas and oxygen is also a gas. When these two gases or these two elements, when they combine, they form water. Water is liquid. Carbon is an element and oxygen is another element. Carbon is solid and oxygen is gas. When carbon burns in oxygen, they produce carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also a gas. This is also a combination reaction because in this reaction, two elements combine together and give rise a single compound. We should remember that in combination reactions, two or more elements they react and form a single compound. इसके बाद number 2, decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions are those reactions in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances. So we can say decomposition reactions. In decomposition reaction, a compound breaks into two or more simpler substances. That means this reaction, decomposition reaction, this takes place by applying heat, light, or electricity. When we apply heat or light or electricity to a compound, it breaks and gives rise to two or more substances. In this, heat, light, or electricity provides energy, which breaks a compound into two or more compounds. This reaction is opposite of combination reaction. Decomposition reaction is opposite of combination reaction because in combination reactions, two or more substances combine. They combine and give rise a single substance. Whereas in a decomposition reaction, a single compound breaks and gives rise to two or more than two substances. इसके बाद number 3. For example, example of decomposition reactions are calcium carbonate, CaCO3. It is solid. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, when we give heat to calcium carbonate, it decomposes, it breaks, and gives CaO plus CO2. CaO, calcium oxide, plus CO2, carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate is solid. When we gives heat to calcium carbonate, it decomposes, it breaks with this heat energy and gives calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is solid and also produce a gas which we call carbon dioxide gas. When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heat, then it is called thermal decomposition. When a decomposition reaction takes place by applying heat, then it is called thermal decomposition reaction. Number 2, calcium oxide. Second equation is calcium oxide reacts in vigorously with water to form calcium hydroxide, silicate lime. Calcium oxide, it is lime, जिसको हम कश्मीर में चूना बोलते हैं. जब हम इसको पानी में डालते हैं कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड को, तो वहाँ ये दो चीजें जो है ये कंबाइन हो जाती हैं. तो and it is a combination reaction because calcium oxide reacts with water and gives calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. It is silicate lime. In this reaction, heat is produced. This is also an exothermic reaction. जो मैंने कल पढ़ा है आपको, ये exothermic reaction भी है क्योंकि इसमें हीट पैदा हो जाती है. इसके बाद number 3, third type of chemical reaction is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Number 3, displacement reaction. Displacement reactions are those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element. One element takes the place of another element in a compound. In a compound. That means displacement reaction is that reaction in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound, and this type of reaction is called displacement reaction, because in displacement reaction one element removes another element from the compound and combines itself with that compound. In general, why did it happen? For example, if we take an example of copper sulfate, CuSO4. It is solid compound plus zinc. Solid. It gives zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate aqueous plus copper, Cu solid. डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन की ये एक मिसाल है. कॉपर सल्फेट, it is solid substance. When it combines with zinc, zinc is also solid. It gives zinc sulfate plus copper. Zinc sulfate plus copper. In this reaction, zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate and produces zinc sulfate plus copper. Copper is released or copper is freed from copper sulfate and forms copper. Copper is a solid substance. So this is a displacement reaction. This is zinc. Zinc displaces copper and copper combines with sulfate and displaces copper and freed copper. And another, zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate compound so that copper is set free. This displacement reaction takes place because zinc is more reactive than copper. So we learned that in displacement reaction, a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element. So here we see zinc is more reactive. Zinc is more reactive than copper. Zinc is more reactive than copper. So zinc replaces copper from copper sulfate and zinc sulfate is formed. क्योंकि copper sulfate जो है copper sulfate is blue in color. When zinc combines with copper sulfate, when it removes copper from copper sulfate, it is this blue color, it fades away and it becomes colorless. So by this property, we say that this chemical reaction has taken place. इसके बाद number 4, double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. It is fourth type of chemical reaction. In double displacement reactions, two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds. In double displacement reaction, two compounds react. Two compounds react by exchange of ions and form two new compounds. So we can say double displacement reactions are those reactions in which two compounds combine together. They react together by the exchange of ions to form two new compounds. This type of reaction is called double displacement reaction. A double displacement reaction usually occurs in solution, and one of the products being insoluble precipitates out. This type of reaction takes place in solution, and in this reaction, one of the one of the element is insoluble in the solution, so that precipitates out. For example, silver nitrate, AgNO3. Silver nitrate is one compound. It is a solution. जब हम सिल्वर नाइट्रेट को पानी में डिजॉल्व करते हैं तो ये वहाँ सोल्यूशन बनता है सिल्वर नाइट्रेट. इसके साथ जब सोडियम क्लोराइड सोल्यूशन हम डालते हैं, ये भी सोल्यूशन है, एक्वस सोल्यूशन. इट गिव्स सिल्वर क्लोराइड AgCl solid plus NaNO3 aqueous solution. It is aqueous solution. When silver nitrate combines with sodium chloride, it gives silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. So here sodium displaces silver from nitrate, and combines itself with nitrate, and this silver combines with chlorine and form silver chloride, which is a solid substance. So plus sodium nitrate is another third. Here we see two elements are displaced. So this is called double displacement reaction.